Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language in Mo.co. To change your language on Mo.co, first of all open the Mo.co app on your device and then go ahead and tap on the horizontal menu buttons at the top right corner. Now in the expanded menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, choose Language option and from the list of available languages, select one of your preferences. This will now restart the game and then you will notice that your displayed language has now changed. You can always get back to the same option and change to a different language of your choice whenever needed. So that's how you can easily change your display language setting on Mo.co app. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.